Alright folks, welcome back. It is Wednesday afternoon, 13th of July, and we've started combining today. We're on the barley, we're at farm 2, and it's going well. Well, touch wood, it's going well. Eric's busy look. Eric's good, Eric's well, I'm well. We're cracking on with it. It is 25.5 degrees outside, so yeah. Eric's happy to be in here. I'm happy to be in here too. And yeah, we've got 2 trailers on today. I'm just about to top Jeremy up with his second tank. He's in my tractor. And yeah, like I say, we're at farm 2. We've got 70 hectares of winter barley to cut down here. And yeah, early start actually. Last year we didn't start till the 22nd of July, I think it was. So, but yeah, all the hot weather we've been having. So if you've seen the live stream that we done when we were starting this field, you would have noticed that this is not my normal combine. This is a 2-year-old combine, new to us. It's the same combine as before, T670i, but it's on tracks and it's got a newer model X header. The header that I had before was a 630X, and this is a 730X. And yeah, just newer model. It's got plastic reel tines, and it's got short little stubby dividers as well. But it's going well. The grain tank's full up now. I'm not sure why it's yielding just yet. I'll let you know tomorrow when we calibrate the yield monitor. I think the moisture's about 12.5%, so plenty dry enough. I'll put the unloading spout out, and we're going to top Jeremy up. Jeremy's in my tractor, the 6.2. He's actually got an 18 tonner on the back. That's a new to us trailer as well. X Hire from SW Hire, and it's good job actually. It's got a rollover sheet on it, and it's just great being able to put 2 combine tanks in there. It's not full up, but you can just make sure you empty the combine every time. There we go. You could actually fit another half a combine tank in there, but the other trailer's right there, and we haven't got too far to go. So if we're moving grain from one farm to the other, I'd be loading that right up. We've got Annabelle on for the summer on grain cart on the 6150R. I put some L plates on her trailer earlier. She's not noticed yet, so I doubt it'll be long. Right, Wednesday evening. The dog is getting excited because he can see a hair. Look at him standing up. Such a donut. Yeah, just finished this 50-acre field. Gonna go through the hedge to another little field. Look, standing up. Yeah, quite pleased with these stewardship strips. We've got a bit of smoke coming out the exhaust on the tractor. That doesn't happen very often. Yeah, chuff with them. Not pollen nectar, wild bird feed mix they are for the winter bird feed. We may possibly have a problem. It's just been flashing up saying tailings elevator running too slow, so I'm going to get out and have a look, see what's happened. Oh my, it's dusty. It is on this side, isn't it? You getting, Eric? They're still in one piece. It's not snapped. We'll have another go, see what happens. I've had it before where that sensor's popped off, but that looks alright. We'll try again, see what happens. She's not so clean anymore. She's dusty. Everything's dusty, isn't it, Eric? Well, that way. Well, it seems to be alright now. Maybe it was just the sensor just having a funny 30 seconds. It was coming up saying that the returns elevator, oh, it was doing that elevator speed system. Oh, now we better stop. Flashing red. 0 speed detected. Stop engine. See, when it's done this before, it's because the sensor's fallen off. Yeah, so it looks like we're having an early finish for the first day. It looks like we've got a bad sensor that needs changing, so Hunts are going to come out and change that in the morning and get us going again. They would have come out tonight, but it's already like 8:30. By the time they get here and get us going, it'll be time to pack up anyway, so we'll sort it out in the morning. She's on. Yeah, we'll leave the header here and take the combine home. Tractor looks good in the sunset. We're going to put the combine away in the shed. I've just been out in the grass paddock blowing with the airline blowing around the engine and that. Everybody else is all buggered off home. Left us to it, haven't they, Eric? They're all gone. You've been for a run? Someone's bent the door. Not naming any names. What do you reckon, Eric? Right, Thursday morning. Hunts are on their way out with the part. Basically, it's just a little piece of metal that fell off that runs past the sensor, the speed sensor. I'm just going to put some AdBlue in. Now roof's coming on the barn. Builder's been busy getting the slate tiles on. I'll show this on my camera. Yep. That was the part that fell off, that little piece. I was wandering around the field this morning looking for it, but now Ross has brought us out a new one. Alright, let's go. Start her up. Get the bag out of Eric's water bowl. She's fixed. Where is it? There it is, look. There's the new part. And there's the sensor. Alright, we're just getting to the field now. We're going to pull into the gateway. It's going to be another roasting hot day today. So yeah, me and Eric are in the right place. We've still got, I don't know how much we've done yesterday. 25 hectares, 26 hectares, bit of a steady day. So yeah, hopefully we'll get finished up here on Friday. See if we can squeeze through the gate. This machine with tracks is actually a bit narrower than the one with tyres, so it does make it a little bit easier getting into fields. The variety of this barley is Surge, if you're wondering, and it seems to be yielding well. We're going to get a trailer load weighed today and get the yield monitor calibrated. We'll get the header on. This is the kind of service we like, that. Grain carters need to take note. Yeah, he should be doing this, look. Alright, I've just loaded Jeremy's trailer right up. And I'm running the calibration. I loaded it up, got out to take a photograph, and then he's informed me that we're not supposed to be heaping up the trailer loads and going on the road, so, but that'll be alright. He's only just got to pop down the lane and get weighed. 21 tonne the combine thinks there's on that trailer. There's no way that's on there. Well, I've got to be careful here because I can mess it all up. Yeah, so he's going to go get weighed, and then I've got to type in there what was on the trailer. So we'll leave that for a minute. So if we've got our maths right, there was 17.5 tonne of barley in that trailer, which means, which I wasn't really expecting that, so that means the barley's weighing quite well. There we go, look, 17,500 accept. So now we've got a calibration figure of 814. So yeah, I think we'll be pretty pleased with that. It's weighing quite well. Let's see what the yield is now. Combine, 8.4 tonne. We'll take that all day long. Right, so I'm just about to start the last field in this block. It's a big one though. We're going to be here a while. It's about 75 acres, something like that, I think. So yeah, it's going to take us a little while. We'll see how long it takes us to get around the headland once. Then that'll give you an idea of how long it actually takes. Yeah, so that's twice around the headland. It took 1.5 hours. I am going pretty steady, as you've probably seen. It's quite a thick crop, and I'm trying to, you know, drop as little as possible on the floor. So there's no rush. The wheat's not going to be ready for a little while, so we're just taking it steady. I'm basing my speed. This is the losses monitor right here, and I'm basing my speed. Oh shoot! I'm on adaptive curve. Auto steer, and it just tried turning itself right round the corner, so I nearly missed a bit. Yeah, I'm determined, basing my speed on my losses monitor. As soon as it gets up near the green, I just slow up a little bit. Right, 9:30 Thursday evening. Yeah, we've had a good day. As you can see on here, look, it's yielding quite well, and yeah, we've shifted probably nearly 300 tons of barley today, so that's a pretty good day for barley. Pleased with that, everything's gone well. It's about 9:30, so I'm going to get to the end of this field, load Jeremy's trailer up wherever he is, he's around somewhere, and pack up and take the combine back to the yard. Probably blow the combine down tonight, and then I haven't got to get itchy in the morning then. Yeah, so the plan for tomorrow is to get that field finished. There's only like 14-15 hectares left out there, and then we're done here. Then we'll move back to farm 1 because we've got 80 hectares there to cut. Yeah, so that is the plan. I'm just going to drive this back to the farm, give it a blow down. Tomorrow I'll try and put the drone up in the air as well, so hopefully you get some drone footage tomorrow. There's always something that needs fixing. Friday morning now. Got a fuel leak on the tractor, on the 6.2. Let me get the filter grips. The tidy van. I just blew it all off with the airline. Get another filter. I think the seal or the O-ring must be knackered. Still leaking. Got some baling going on. We've got some baling going on this morning. Playing dodge the bale now to get to the field. Go around that one. Nick's out here stacking. I think there's some lorries coming to collect them. Alright, we'll have a quick go with the drone. We'll see if we can get it going. I tried to get it going on Wednesday, but I couldn't get it to connect. It was playing up, so it does that sometimes. Hopefully today we'll have more luck. Go fly. bloody dusty. I'll show you where it's going. Dusty and very hot. This is all what we've harvested this week. Wow, it's nearly full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 full bins right now. It's very hot up here. Right, Friday evening road trip. Well, I say road, we're still in the field right now, but we're going on the road in a minute, so if anything interesting happens, I'll turn the camera on. We're going back to farm 1. Now we're on the road. We've just gone out on the main road now. Right, we're almost home now, and it's been a pretty uneventful journey, to be honest, which is good. We like that. Chuffed to bits with the combine on the road. It's smooth, really smooth. You don't get the bouncing like what you get on the tyres, and she's quick as well. I don't know where you can see it's probably pitch black, isn't it? Put the lights on. Put it in the shed with the other one. Keep them both safe in the shed. That one's going though. That one's not staying. Look at that. Thought I'd let George have a go at driving the combine. It's not actually that hot out here. Don't know what everyone's moaning about. It is like 7 o'clock in the evening. Don't even know if you guys can hear me over the machine. I'm going to get dusted now for saying that. There's a bloody lot of straw. Have a look quickly. She's doing a really good job actually. There's a lot of straw there, and I can't even see one grain right there. Doing a really good job. We'll get in front of the dust. I've got that header on the track width on the GPS. I've got it set at exactly 9 meters. That's working really well. It is on RTK GPS. Ah, I'm right in the dust. I don't know how well you can see, we've got the sun in our eyes. Hey, come here Eric. Stretching our legs. We're down the tick over now. We're getting a proper load on. That's going to be load of the season. Look at Jeremy, that he's like, oh my god. That's on the what?
That 150 torque.
Yeah, that's on the 6150. Right, Monday afternoon, 18th of July. Last field of winter barley. Last field of 150 hectares. So yeah, it's been going well. It's a bit warm out this afternoon. I think we're on about 35 degrees right now, so I'm glad I'm in here and everything's going well. The engine temperature seems to be coping quite well. The engine's staying nice and cool, so I have been blowing it out, giving the combine a good blowing down every morning. All around the engine and everything. Air filters, radiator, just to try and keep it cool and safe. Some fields have yielded really well, sort of like 8 tonne to the hectare, 8.5 tonne. Here comes Jeremy. We are 3/4 full. And yeah, and then other fields have only sort of averaged about 6.5 tonne because they've got like some bare patches and that on the headland. It just lets down the average yield. Yeah, so we get this last barley field finished today, and then tomorrow I guess we'll come up with a plan. We haven't even talked about wheat yet, or looked at some of the wheat I haven't seen in ages, so we're going to have a look at that and see if it's ready to cut. I should think that the grain will be fit and dry, but the straw will probably still be green. Not everybody's got the luxury of a nice air-conditioned cab though. We've got Laura working on the farm full-time at the moment. She took over from George, who ran the grain store last year. She's running the grain store this summer. Yeah, so she's definitely got the hottest job today. I smashed my phone screen today, look. I did a really silly thing. I left the phone on the steps of the combine. I was being sensible, put it upside down because I didn't want the sunshine shining on the screen. And then I went and jumped in the combine and thought, when I was running up the steps, I thought, my phone's there. I've just stood on it, turned it over, smashed. Alright, that's it, we're done. Well, with the winter barley anyway. I don't know if you can see Jeremy's still embracing the L plate. He's not bothered. He knows he's a learner. Jeremy has got some spring barley at his farm, but that won't be ready for a couple of weeks, so yeah, we're going to have to look at some wheat tomorrow, come up with a plan for the wheat, and yeah, I'll make some more videos when we get on wheat maybe. Thanks for watching.